Could your morning coffee help you lose weight? Science says yes, but only if you do it right. Let's break down how caffeine fires up fat loss. And the mistakes most people make. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that revs up your central nervous system. Studies show it can increase metabolic rate by 3 to 11%, helping you burn more calories, even at rest. One study found that 100 milligrams of caffeine, about 1 cup of coffee, increased fat burning by up to 29% in lean individuals. Coffee can also help control cravings. Research suggests caffeine reduces levels of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, while increasing peptide U, a hormone that promotes fullness. In one study, participants who drank coffee before breakfast ate 10% fewer calories throughout the day. Coffee before a workout? Smart move. Caffeine increases adrenaline, which helps mobilize fat stores for energy. Studies show it can improve exercise performance by 11 to 12%, meaning you burn more calories in the same workout. Not all coffee is created equal. Avoid these mistakes. Sugar and creamer adds empty calories. A Starbucks Frappuccino can pack 400 plus calories. Drinking too late, caffeine after 2 p.m. can disrupt sleep, hurting fat loss. Overdoing it, more than 4 cups/day can cause jitters and reduce benefits. Try these fat-burning coffee hacks. Bulletproof coffee, black coffee plus 1 teaspoon MCT oil, boosts ketones. Cinnamon coffee, black coffee plus cinnamon, stabilizes blood sugar. Protein coffee, black coffee plus scoop of collagen protein, curbs hunger. So, can coffee help you lose weight? Absolutely, if you keep it black, time it right, and avoid sugary traps. Want more science-backed health tips? Hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments, how do you take your coffee?